Here's the March 31st, 2025 trade recap. And tomorrow's April Fool's Day. You're about to get pranked, buddy. Alright, let's get into it. I lost the trade, bro. I lost the trade I took today. I'm gonna go over it all right now. Alrighty. So, daily was still bullish because we haven't broken structure to the downside and closed below this low right here. See? Move down, move up. That's a low right there. So we were still bullish for the day. 4 hour, I don't even what the heck is this, bro? We didn't even move one tad. What happened today? What was this, bro? What is this? What the heck on the 4 hour was that? I consider that a low, so I call this a break of structure to the upside. I don't know. What the flip is this? I don't know if that's considered a low or not. But if you actually analyze, if you actually analyze it, you can see that price did close a little bit lower, so it's technically a low. So I said we're bullish. Then 1 hour, we broke to the upside, broke to the downside, then broke to the upside again. I was like, oh yeah, heck yeah, we're going super bullish. 15-minute broke structure to the downside, broke back up to the upside. I thought I thought it was a 1 hour retracement. So I entered long because I thought this was gonna be a retracement, then a massive move up. Because I thought this was just a daily retracement, and that we were about to get a massive moves and pass this over the next couple of days. But I got stopped out, and the daily bias was kind of invalidated. So I'm pretty sure daily bias is changing, and daily bias changes are the best ways to lose because there's nothing you could really do because daily bias is just changing. And I bet we're gonna probably close below this soon and change, because look, this is literally just a retracement into this fair value gap, and we're about to push lower and break structure on the daily. I bet that's what all it was. Oh, I hope my mic is on. Hello. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, my ear hurts. But yeah, I'm pretty sure when I thought we were gonna have a massive move up, I think that was just a retracement because daily bias is changing. And you could see Asian session basically tapped into New York highs, broke structure to the downside, went against daily bias, but hey, if I did this trade, tap into the highs, break structure to the downside, that would be good. But you never want to go against daily bias. So my daily bias just kind of got invalidated. That's why I lost. Yeah, that's all I have for today. And I hope you guys have a great April Fool's Day. Oh, yes. Or my favorite. Yo. I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing April Fool's Day. See ya.